Every parent wants their child to have a healthy, happy school year. Let's explore some simple tips to keep our kids thriving. Start the day with a nutritious breakfast. Whole grains, fruits, and proteins give the kids the energy they need to focus and learn. Regular well-child visits are essential. They help ensure your child's growth and development are on track. Schedule a checkup before the school year starts. Teach good hygiene habits like hand washing. It's one of the simplest ways to prevent the spread of germs. Vaccinations are crucial. They protect against serious diseases. Make sure your child is up to date on all of their shots, including the COVID-19 vaccine. Check with your healthcare provider about required and recommended vaccines for your child's age group. This includes protection against COVID-19, which keeps our schools safe. Physical activity is vital. Encourage your kids to play and stay active. It boosts their physical and mental health. Ensure your child gets enough sleep. Rested children are more attentive and ready to learn. A consistent bedtime routine helps children wind down and sleep well. Aim for 9 to 11 hours of sleep per night. Pack nutritious lunches. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins to keep your child fueled throughout the day. Stay involved in your child's school life. Regularly check in on their progress and communicate with teachers to support their learning. Together, we can ensure our children have a healthy and successful school year. For more tips on keeping your child healthy, visit Matthew Walker Comprehensive Health Center.